Welcome my channel. Let's speed up. Follow my step. How to do it. Click start button. Then find out Windows system. Then through this button run system. You can click this run option, or shortcut way just click search, then type run. See the run system. You open this, or another press on screen plus press R. This is so shortcut. Then clean your all recent file. Type recent, RECENT. Then OK. See, this is my recent use all file. So then select Ctrl A. You select your all unnecessary file. Then delete. Okay. Then close. Then again go run and type prefetch. Then you click continue. This is your unnecessary junk file, so I should to delete all. Some file will doesn't delete, but no problem. Select and delete. See, some file will not delete, so no need to tension. Will just skip, cross. Then again run system, then clean temp. See, this is unnecessary file, so select all, then delete. This folder access denied. Some file or folder you show here. This is your system run, so no need to delete this. Just cancel, close. Again run, and now just set a percentage, 10%. Then OK. Here this is the lot of unnecessary file, so select all, then delete. Okay, this system file, so not delete, just do this for all current item. Just skip. It's take time, sometime. It's a lot of file. No problem. Close. Then again go run. CHKDSK. Just simple. You if your PC faster, you can't see any view. Just your disk clean. So next, and this cleanup, then you open your recycle bin. Okay, just open and see the lot of unnecessary file here, and your all delete file stored here. I hope you know it. Just when it's clean, just check here. If you by mistakenly delete your important file, then it's you can restore. original location. This is original location file name, like this. C user, and just if you follow, just check if you feel your good file by mistakenly delete, you can restore your necessary file. Okay, just simply click and the restore, or you can cut, then you can paste your desired location. Okay, I delete. Then I hope you know it. Just click right button, then empty recycle bin, means your disk full clean. Continue. Now my system is full clean. Then open your computer drives location, like this is my hard disk C2Z. This is my all disk name. So at first I clean up my disk C. Click your disk, then right button, click properties. Here, this is your disk properties. Then see simply disk cleanup, this option. Click this, and you will see the many file. This is check mark yes or no. Just you check all file, all box you check, then clean up system files. Here my system files is cleaning up. Then again show this option, just click OK, then delete file. Your unnecessary all file will delete it. Cleaning up disk C, it takes some time. You wait. See, after clean this one drive, then OK, then click your second drive, same process. Click, then right button, this disk cleanup, same system cleanup file. OK, delete. OK, so step by step you clean your all drive. This will remove hard disk bad sector. This is good. Okay, now I show you next process. Select properties, then click tools, error checking. Just at first you click this error checking, the scan disk. This option is very good. Then click optimize and select you optimize your all disks, like I show you on this, others is, then click analysis. This is analysis. My hard disk is good, so that's why no error option. Then at first you analyze, then you click optimize. It will take time. Now click C, and it's already analyzed already. Just click optimize. Click D, analyzed, then optimize. So you follow this procedure all disks, then close. Okay, those some process to faster your PC. Click your bottom bar, then click right button and see the task manager, and see this is your computer properties, process, how many file run at this moment. then performance, your GPU, memory, disks, our Ethernet, graphics, all graphs show this performance option. This app history, this is your all app history, running app history, and you click the start a program. This is most important. When you turn on your computer, then automatically this file will run background. If you think no need to run some file when start your computer, then you can disable this background file will process automatically. Your PC is some use and feel slow. So I can stop this option like startup clean startup. Then so example of WhatsApp, I no need to open WhatsApp when I run my PC. Just select your item, then right button click and disable. So now when I start my PC, it's don't work background WhatsApp. So you can enable or disable your option. Disable, enable. And if you feel this run unnecessary any file, you can remove. So this you can see the memory 36% use. This is a file folder size mbps. When you feel run a large file and you feel like your computer use a hang or lag, you can simply close this option from task manager. Like I show a simple screenshot file. All file are necessary for me. Like example, this is so use or not much use. Just example, I close this option. Just click and right button, then end task. So this file will close and my PC is now free. I hope if you follow my wall step, your computer will fast. So thank you.